Hi viewers, how are you all doing during this whole pandemic situation? So I have thought to take you all to a ride today. So you can see that how the road is looking and people, there is very few people there on the road. So just check. So during this situation, everybody is inside their house and it also gives a little bit of stress and pressure. So I thought to again come out today, and I'm wearing a mask, and this is a homemade mask, so you can just see. So I just want to show you the beauty of the nature. You can just see here the cloud formation is there, and it's very beautiful, and it's like it's going to rain after some time. There's a blue sky, and the whole side I would like to show you this greenery all around. It's fantastic, but very few people on the road. So friends, I have come to this fuel station and I'll have to fill my fuel tank, not my, actually the car's fuel tank, and it's have to be filled because in kind of emergency we'll have to take out our cars. And as we know that our vehicles are not being used too much these days, and for which our cars can get damaged, so in order to keep the batteries in running condition I have come out, and also my own battery, that is my head actually. So friends, I'm also going to go to Airong to buy some essentials for my house, so stay tuned with me till the end of this video and let's see what we can buy. Friends, I'm here at Shambhuda's shop, and it's one of the big shop here. So here are some vegetables, so I'll just show you some local vegetables we're getting here. It's not that we're getting too much variety, but still some fruits, local fruits, pineapple. Oh my god, I think it has not ripened yet, so I'm not going to buy it today. Pumpkin, should I buy them or not? Let's see what's there. Okay, some few more vegetables. I'll have to collect some. So these are all local vegetables, you can see, and this much variety we have here. It's not too much, but still we can manage with this. So people are managing. This is how we are managing here. And I'll just go inside the market a little bit, so you'll be able to see. So this is one of the shop from where I buy stationaries, and the right side there is a mandir, there is a Kali mandir. So sometimes we offer our pujas here. So here then I'm going inside. There are also few vegetable sellers here. So what do they have? Okay, another shop, it's open. Another fellow, he's also selling vegetables. This is the fellow, he actually every time when I come here he just says, "Madam, lagbe neki." This is how he tells. Everybody knows who is there in Airong. He stays there in Airong Mara. They are very much familiar with this fellow, so it's very nice that he's there in my video today. And I'm just entering inside, and you just see it's clean. This is small market. It's very clean, neat and clean, and everybody knows everybody. It's very nice, small kind of market, and it's very beautiful. And the cloud formation is there. It's going to rain. So now I'm going for a ride. Wow, this is wonderful and this is awesome. This will charge my battery. Actually, it's not about the car, but it's my battery today. I have to charge it fully, because otherwise it's making me sick. It's nice, at times you have to get out of your house. And if you are not privileged in this way, you are not living in such an isolated area, you can take a tour there on your terrace. You can also roam about within your small vicinity. Just plant some flowers and have small tubs, and so this is the sky which I am showing you. And this is Choto Jalenga, which I want to tell you that this is the road, Silchar Hailakandi road, and you can go through this way also towards Hailakandi, but I will not go too much, but just a little bit, and then again I'll return, and again I'll have to go back home. So you can just see nobody's there on the road, no traffic, nothing. It's एकदम खाली है भाई, खाली है. It's wonderful. But you cannot take too much of speed, you know. So I have taken a turn, and again I'm returning back to my home. So I'm done with my essentials. I have bought what I need for myself for these few days, and I'm not going to get out for 15 days, at least 15 days from my house. No, this is what I do actually. So if it's not too much essential, I will not go get out of my house. So this is how I am now taking you all, my friends. So people who students and people and my friends who have been living here at Airongmara, here in Silchar, you might be missing your place, but through my video it's like you all will be able to see how the place is. It's totally green now, you know. It's very green, and when it rains, you know, it's excellent. The weather is very awesome, and I love living among this natural world. It gives me immense pleasure, you know. It's very nice. Wow. So it's a bit of bumpy, but still it's okay, fine. Are bhai sahab, okay, that's a guy. No problem. She'll take her side. Okay. So now again we are heading towards our house. I would also like to tell you, who is making this video. As I am driving the car, my better half, he's making the video. So I have requested him, so please kindly can you make the video for me today, because I'll be driving, and my viewers, they will be waiting for me to upload a video. So I'm going blank, what should I talk with you all. But it's, as you know, this is a traveling vlog kind of video which I had started initially, but now it's just turning with different topics, and also it's pandemic, so nothing can be done, so I'm coming out with new ideas and for my friends. So I feel that you all have grown to be my family. Just see the wide road. It's excellent. Oh my god, nice music. And if I would have wings, I would have flew away to some other world here in the clouds and somewhere here and there. Okay, I'm in my dream world, but still I have to drive, just I'm going 20 to 40 kilometer per hour, not too much speed, because why to rush, we have a lot of time now, nothing to rush. Just stay calm and cool and just enjoy the scenery. It's awesome, it's serene. Only few guys again. There another car, few trees, and again the wide land. Do you want to buy a piece of land here? Anybody? You can contact me. I don't think so anybody wants to come and reside here, but it's okay, fine. You can have your own house here. A new petrol pump, there is one new petrol pump is going to be built up here on the left side. I couldn't show you, but it's there. So this is how I'm coming to an end of this video. Another bus, one single bus just I have crossed today. Okay, bye viewers, bye friends, bye.